guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some more products to show you by STYLEVANA. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I just received another box by STYLEVANA. This is my May collaboration with them. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much, STYLEVANA, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, the other boxes that I have received has such amazing products inside, and I've been using them still. I love all of the different face products, the skincare products, the face cleansers, the toner, everything from my last box I'm still using, and I'm absolutely loving. So I can't wait to see what we have for this month and what I get to try out. It's so cool that we get to see new and exciting products from them, and they're always different. So far, I haven't had any repeated items, I don't believe, from them. So this is really cool that I get to show you guys some more products. So when you first open it up, everything is so nicely packaged right down inside. And let's see, and it's even all taped up like this. Oh wow, so okay, I have a lot of little goodies right here to show you guys. So the first thing is going to be right here. This is an AHA, BHA, PHA 30-day miracle travel kit. And this has a step 1, there's a toner. Step 2, there is a serum. And then step 3, there is a miracle cream. I like that they give you those 3 different products in one, because that's like the main, those are the main essentials for skincare routine. Basically at night, you have the toner, the serum, and cream. So that is really neat. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. So there is a little pamphlet down inside of here, or a paper. And then here are the 3 different products. So the toner, the serum, and then the face moisturizer. This is definitely really good if you are going to be traveling or just to be out of the area, so you can have your skincare regimen still with you on the go, and they're in small travel size container. So that is really neat. And again, this is the Miracle Travel Kit edition. So then now we have is this really cute one. This is by iUnic. That is a really good brand, and I've enjoyed everything that I've used from them thus far. And this says it is a Propolis Vitamin Eye Cream Set. Ooh, so you have an eye cream and then you have a mini serum. That is neat. Let's get this guy opened. So then here is this set. So you have the eye cream and then the serum. So that is really neat that you have the 2-step product. Okay, so now the individual items that are here, this one says a calming day ampule. And it says the power in you. This smoothing ampule is designed for sensitive skin types looking to improve healthy glow and moisture. The key ingredients from the ampule are calendula that calms and treats the skin. Directions: after toning, apply 2 to 3 drops on the face, gently pat until well absorbed, and follow with your usual skincare regimen. So this is something to put on right after toning, and then you just, whatever else you normally do for your skincare regimen afterwards. So this is just a calming day ampule, and that is a really good size, and I like the container. So you have your little dropper here, and there you go. And you just put a few drops on your face. So if it's only 2 to 3 drops, this will last a long time being this size. So we have that. Now we have, this one says a mild tone up sunscreen, brighten your skin, SPF 50 plus. That is really neat, especially right now going into spring, which is almost summer here in Florida. Sunscreen is a must to have almost year round here with this sun. And that is a really good size. This I can definitely toss like in my purse, my book bag, my golf bag, anything just to have on hand. This is a good size, again, for a mild tone up sun cream, brighten your skin. It's a low irritant physical sunscreen formulated with calamine, is effective for soothing care and provides natural looking skin tone. At the last step of your basic skincare, evenly apply an appropriate amount of the sunscreen to your skin. So then now we have, it says secret key, starting treatment or a mist. Ooh, and it says galactomyces contained. I'm not sure what that is. But I don't even know if I said that right. It has 7 skincare benefits, including moisturizing, tightening, brightening, improving signs of aging, soothing, improving skincare, and antioxidant. Shake before use. It says to spray 20 to 30 centimeters apart and tap it into your face. You can use the product when your makeup is on. So you can put it on any time of day. You can spray it on even over your makeup. And that is what that looks like. The secret key, huh? It has a little nice scent to it, so it does smell nice. It's not too strong of a scent, just a really nice light scent. It's nice. Now we have over here is, ooh, this is the big ol' huge thing of like a foaming cleanser that I'm currently using. It's this brand. So this is really neat to get something else from this brand. This is a CICA cream. There's the packaging. This one only tells me the ingredients in English. There's no directions or what this is used for. All it just says is that it's the cream. So it looks like this. I'm gonna go to their website and see if I can get a little bit more information about this product to know how I use it. But I'm actually excited to use it because, again, I really like that foaming cleanser that I got the last box from that brand. So I'm really excited to try this out. I just need to get a little bit more information about the product to know how to use it or what it's intended for. And that is everything that they sent me for this May collab, you guys. Again, we have this cream right here. We have the facial mist. You have a sunscreen. You have this ampule, which I'm excited to try that as well. You have a 3-piece set here for traveling or just to use. If you like it, then you can buy the full size. And then you have this set, which is really cool. You get the eye cream and the serum. So that is what they sent to show you guys. I do have a code if you are interested. Everything is linked down below. You can use my code INF10 SheCrafty to save 10% off your order. Again, everything will be linked down below. Let me know though, have you seen anything from STYLEVANA? Have you purchased anything from STYLEVANA? They have so many different products. Their skincare products are just insane and how many pages and pages and pages that they have. So if you definitely want to check them out, you can see everything that they have to offer, from skincare to makeup to fashion to so much more, and use my code to save that 10% off. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.